Hello everyone, welcome to iRender. In this video we're going to guide you on how to clone an existing image to another image. This feature enables you to take an exact copy of the existing image without setting up the machine environment one more time. Let's get started. Choose the GPU server setup package. Before cloning, be sure that the server image was fully set up with software and applications. In this case we're going to set up Blender software on the first server image. Okay, we have a full server set up with all software needed. Now we move to the next step, Shutdown. On the iRender console, choose Shutdown. Step 3. Clone image. You can clone one or more images at the same time. The iRender system will automatically generate new image number identical to existing. Now these images are the same, we can easily use them at the same time without installing software for each image. Step 4. Boot and connect to the cloned image. The cloned image will have a full of software we installed before with the original image. Well, we have already guided you on how to use the iRender services. There are a bunch of features to support you while using our service. If you have any questions, just let us know. Thank you for your time. iRender, happy rendering.